children. Today we are going to study lesson 5 from the book Connect with Science, Oxford, class 3. Plants in the surroundings. Plants are one of the most beautiful things. They provide us with food and with oxygen to breathe. It is necessary, very necessary, to know about the plant and how to take care of them. Parts of the plant. Now we are going to study about the structure and its function. A plant has two main parts, the root and the shoot. Now I am going to show you the diagram. In this diagram you will see a plant and the various parts of it, like it has got flowers, bud, leaves, fruit. Then the main part is the stem. Yes, you can see the stem in the diagram. Stem is there, and the part which is under the earth is known as root. Yes, children. So you should understand that this plant, the plant which we can see in our surroundings, has got these following parts. Let us learn about the different parts of the plant and their function. The first one is leaf. Leaves differ in shape and size. Everybody has seen this. On the trees, different type of trees are there, and the leaves are different in their shape and size. They are generally green in color. The food of the plant is prepared inside the leaf in the presence of sunlight and the water and air. Now comes the flowers. Flowers form the fruit. It is the most colorful part of the plant. Now comes the stem. Stem gives support to the plant. It carries water and food materials to the different parts of the plant. Now comes the root. Root fixes the plant to the soil. They take in water and nutrients from the soil. Now we have the fruits. Most fruits contain seeds. A fruit may have one or many seeds. Like mango has got only one seed. Apple and oranges have got few seeds. But papaya and tomatoes have got many seeds. Now we will study about the types of roots. There are two types of roots, the taproot and the fibrous root. Now you can see the taproot here. The taproot is the main root that grows into the soil from the base of the stem. Now you can see this, from the base of the stem it grows into the soil. Many smaller roots grow out of it. Plants such as radish, carrot, sunflower and mango has got taproots. Now comes the fibrous roots. Fibrous roots are the branches of thin and bushy roots that grow together into the soil from the base of the stem. Plants such as wheat, rice and grass have got fibrous roots. Let us study the function of the root. The main function of the root is they hold the plant firmly to the soil. They absorb water and nutrients. Water and nutrients are required for the growth of the plant. Roots hold the soil together and prevent it from being washed away during the rains. Some roots store surplus amount of food prepared by the plant. We can eat those roots such as carrot, radish and turnip. Now let us study about the function of the shoot. Shoot, which is also known as the stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. Stem can be strong or weak. Trees such as banyan tree, have got thick and strong stem called the trunk. It holds the tree straight upright. Plants such as grapevine and pea have got weak stem. Such plants either grow along the ground or need the support of the other plants or wall or any stick. Functions of stem. The main functions of stem are they keep most of the plants upright. They bear leaves, fruits and flowers. They carry water and minerals from the root to the leaves. They carry water and food materials. Yes, they carry the water and food materials to the leaves and from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Some plants store surplus of food in their stem, which we can also eat. For example, sugarcane, it stores food in its stem. Then potato and ginger, we can eat these stem. Now children, let us study about the leaves. Here you can see the parts of the leaf. Yes, a big leaf is there and you can see a small stalk there. Yes, and then the leaf blade, the green part is called the leaf blade, and the midrib is there. You can see the midrib and the veins, the tiny small veins you can see there. Leaves grow on stem. They are of different shape and size in different plants. Most leaves are green in color. Structures of leaf. Now we will study the structure of leaf. The flat surface of the leaf is called as the leaf blade. Many small tubules are there which are known as the veins, which cover the entire leaf blade. The long tube passing through the middle of the leaf, from the middle of the leaf you can see there on the picture also there, you have seen, might have seen, that which comes from the tip to the end is called as the midrib. The stalk connects the leaf to the stem. Yes, the stalk you can see, no, it connects it to the stem. Tiny openings on the leaf known as the stomatas help the plant take in and give out air. Functions of leaves. Now see, we can see the plant which is full of leaves. Now let us study the functions of leaves. Most leaves appear green because they contain the substance which is known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps the leaves to absorb sunlight. Green color prepares food for the plant in the presence of air, water and sunlight. This is why a leaf is known as the kitchen or the food factory of the plant. The process by which green plants prepare their food using carbon dioxide is known as photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, water, minerals from the ground and the presence of sunlight is very important. Carbon dioxide also important. In the presence of these substances, it prepares its food. Leaves give out a gas which is known as oxygen, which is essential for life. Leaves of plants store food. Spinach, cabbage are some of the examples of leaves that can be eaten by human beings. We come to flowers. Most flowers are brightly colored and have a sweet and pleasant smell. Most flowers change into fruits. Most plants have one or more seeds inside them. Seeds grow into a new plant. Thus, flowers are the important part of a plant which helps in reproduction. Now, children, we can see the fruit. Fruits such as mangoes and plum have a single seed inside them. Apples, oranges, and lemon have got few seeds inside them. So, fruits such as papaya and watermelon have got many seeds inside them. We eat fruits of many plants. Yes, we like to eat the fruits of many plants. Now we come to the structure of the seed. Now seed is one of the important part in the plant, as we have already studied that seeds help in reproduction. So making a new plant. So here we can I'll tell you the structure of the seed, how it is when the seed is ready to grow into a new plant. The life of the plant starts with the seed. Some seeds are very small, such as grains of sand, while the others are very big, like the pebbles. They can be round or flat. Seeds can be brown, black, green, yellow, or of any other color. The outer covering of the seed is known as the seed coat. Yes, like we wear the clothes on it. So seed coat is also there to protect the internal soft plant which is hidden inside. Now it protects the seed from being eaten by other animals or birds. The seed has got tiny plant inside it. When the seed gets enough of light, air, water, and the warmth of sunlight, the tiny plant inside it grows out. It forms the seedling. Seeds also contain seed leaves or the cotyledons inside them. So this is a new term, cotyledon. Cotyledon are the two flaps on the seed. Yes, when you soak the seed and take out the seed coat on it, and then you can see the two swollen parts which is known as the cotyledon. Kinds of seed. There are two kinds of seed based on the cotyledons, which I told you right now. Based on those cotyledons, there are two types of seeds, monocot seeds and dicot seeds. The monocot seeds, they have only one thin cotyledon inside them. They do not store food inside them. Food is stored in some other part of the seed. For example, maize, rice, and grass. Now dicot seeds. They have two cotyledons inside them. They are thick and fleshy and store food. For example, pea, beans, and gram. Now, children, an important function in the plant is germination. Germination means developing into a new plant. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called as germination. A seed germinates into a new seedling when it gets the right amount of air, water, and sunlight. The right temperature and nutrition are very, very important for the seed to come out into a new plant. Not all the seeds germinate into new plants. Every seed will not germinate. Some seeds are eaten by the birds and insects. Some seeds are destroyed by the rain and wind. Some seeds do not get right conditions to germinate. This is how we come to know that how small seed will give rise to a new plant. First, the cotyledons are swollen up when it gets the right amount of water, air, and sunlight. Then after that, the new plant inside it develops and comes out. So it should get the proper conditions for the plant to come out and develop into a big plant. For this, we need to take care of the plants. As we know, plants give us lot many things. So, children, we should learn to take care of the plants all around us. We should protect the trees. If you want some good thing from somebody, you should give something to somebody. That means if you give it, then only you are going to get it back. So you protect the plants around you, give some water, provide the proper situation for the plant, give some good nutrition to the plant, and then it will give you lot of oxygen and a lot of fruits and so many other things. Yes, so we should learn to take care of the plants and help the plants to grow better. And we should, if we take care of the plants, that means you are loving your earth. We will live on this earth more if we protect the plants all around us, because they give us oxygen. If we don't protect them, they will not survive, and we will also not get oxygen here. So my dear small children, we should learn to take care of the plants. Bye.